In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the password of your Shopify store in 2025. Before we begin, remember that online security is more important than ever, especially with the rise of automated attacks and phishing attempts targeting e-commerce platforms. Keeping your store secure is critical, and updating your password regularly is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to protect your business. Let's walk through the steps together. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner where your store name is displayed. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Manage Account. This will take you to the Account Management section. If you manage multiple stores, make sure you're updating the password for the correct account. Here, find and click on Security. This is where you can manage all of your account's protection settings. On the Security page, look for the option labeled Change Your Password and click on it. Shopify will now ask you to confirm your current password to make sure the request is legitimate. This step prevents unauthorized users from making dangerous changes. Enter your current password in the field provided. Next, type in your new password. For the best security, choose something strong, mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using personal information or common words, as these can be easier for attackers to guess. Then re-enter the same password in the Confirm New Password field to ensure there are no typos. Once you've double-checked your entries, click the Change Password button. Your password will be updated instantly, and your account will now be secured with the new credentials. If you're logged into Shopify on other devices, you might be asked to sign in again, which is completely normal. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Shopify password. By keeping it updated and strong, you're taking an important step in protecting your online store. You might also want to enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of protection. It's one of the best ways to keep your account safe. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for tips on managing and securing your Shopify business. I post regular videos to help you run your online store more confidently and effectively.